Wow, the mall is so crowded today.
Yes. Everyone comes out on a Saturday.
Can we go to the toy store, please?
All right. Just for a short time.
Dad, look at this one. It has lights and engine sounds. I really want this car.
It is very nice, Tom. But it is too expensive.
Please, Dad. Please, Mom. I really, really want it.
Not today, sweetheart. Put it back. Come on. We can find something else.
Just for a little while.
Tom, what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm just tired. I want to rest for a while. Tom? What is that? Nothing. I'm doing nothing.
I saw it. That's the red car from the toy store.
No. A friend gave it to me.
Tom, I was in the store with you. I'm going to tell Mom and Dad.
Emma! Please don't.
Tom, show me what's behind your back.
Tom, where did you get that?
David at school gave it to me. It was his old one.
Tom, that's the exact same car we saw in the toy store today. Tell me the truth.
I didn't steal it. Emma is lying. David gave it to me.
Who's at the door? Good evening. We're from the local police. May we come in? Please, come in. An item is missing from the toy store. We have security camera footage. Tom, is this you?
Yes, that's me. I took it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry, Dad.
The family must come to the police station now. We'll come, right now. Tom, what did you do today?
I took a car from the toy store. I didn't pay for it. I put it in my backpack when nobody was watching. And I said a friend gave it to me. That wasn't true. I'm sorry. This belongs to your store. I'm sorry I took it.
Thank you for saying sorry. And giving it back, Tom. We'll pay for the car, sir. We accept the apology. Because he's young, and he told the truth. So we're letting him go today. You can take him home.
Thank you, officer. I'll never do this again. I promise.
Always pay before taking anything. Never take something that doesn't belong to you.
And never lie. One lie can lead to many more.
If you make a mistake, tell the truth. It is always the right choice.